Now, as the year comes to a close, one just hopes the pandemic turns into an endemic. But with the Omicron variant looming large and cases being reported across the world, when will it all end is the big question. Now, in the light of the pandemic, importance to wellness and health gained ground in the year 2021. Here's a look at the top health trends in the year has just gone by.
The world thought this pandemic would become endemic by 2021. But the latest Omicron threat has the world bracing itself yet again. With fears of a third Omicron wave in India, this is now the most talked about concern as 2021 comes to a close. Staying safe is the only way forward as we get into 2022.
The WHO has classified Omicron variant as a variant of concern. This is because it is much more contagious than the Delta variant. So this means that as a community, we will have to go up on our preventive measures. So this means physical distancing, avoiding large crowds, avoiding unnecessary travels, wearing a mask at all times and washing hands. And only with these measures and vaccination can we overcome this pandemic.
2021, one of the largest vaccination drives for COVID in India, and the big trend was on people getting jabbed with Covishield or Covaxin amidst many naysayers. The other talk of the town in 2021 has been vaccination for kids. Parents absolutely anxious and worried if and when their kids in India will get their jab. The big question is, should India start vaccinating kids now? After all, 2021 is coming to a close and we are already looking ahead at 2022.
COVID may be very mild in children, but this multi-inflammatory syndrome in children is a serious condition that need ICU care and prolonged hospital stay and consultation from other specialties. Hence, it is very important to immunize all of our children against COVID at the earliest.
In 2021, the world of healthcare was abuzz, exploring booster doses for COVID. We can't end 2021 without asking the all-important question. Are there concerns over the efficacy of the vaccines we have already got? Do we require special booster shots, or will booster doses of existing shots work?
NIV Pune and the NTAGI group are investigating whether the existing vaccines are effective against Omicron, and the results indicated that they are. So let us wait for a booster dose, but in the interim period observe COVID-appropriate behavior like masking, social distancing, hand hygiene, and above all, if we are not vaccinated, get ourselves fully vaccinated.
The year gone by has seen vaccines for kids, boosters, COVID-19 becoming endemic as the big talking points on social media, and these continue to be the big health trends. Expect 2022 to not be very different as we continue to live along with the virus as new variants emerge and as new vaccines get developed. These will continue to be the top health trends of the year 2022 as well.
Wellness took center stage. The lockdown showed us how emotional and mental wellness are key, and many started breaking the stigma and coming forward to openly talk about mental health, and that was a refreshing trend indeed.
Even when it comes to dealing with so many problems in your mind, a person can handle it themselves. A person can put it aside and move on also, and then tackle it later. But certain people are bogged down by, they need to tackle it then. So it is important to know what kind of person, which is what it comes down to, going back to your core. If you disconnect from yourself, you will always get confused. You have to just try and connect to yourself and listen to yourself. If you need help, you need it.
Workouts. Many looked at fitness at home and realized the importance of it all. Online yoga classes, fitness lessons took off. Health supplements. Whether it was vitamin gummy pops or Ayurvedic immunity-boosting herbs, health supplements like CoQ10, Guduchi pills, vitamin gummy pops, zinc and vitamin C drinks, or simply additions of prescribed supplements to diet became a new normal. With Sneha Modani and Chaiti Narula in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.